What is up, good people of YouTube? Welcome to this nice chilly morning on the Gold Coast. Here with the bro Jake. Just taking some photos in this beautiful sunrise. Yeah, it's pretty overcast day. Pretty average looking, but the sunrise, on the water is looking fucking mint. So yeah. So what's the plan, Jakey boy?
I don't know. Go for a bit of a zoom around town.
You go for
Find some good spots to take some photos.
you go for a cruise through circles or something.
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright, cool.
Make some noise, eh?
Alright, let's hit it.
I got some fucking nasty shots.
This bad boy up here. That's filth. Alright.
Nice and wholesome. I was expecting to be like, oh, it's so bloody loud, need to get rid of it.
Honestly, same. And they're like, oh, you want to swap?
It's like 60, 70-year-old man in a bloody little, Subaru Forester.
Oh, bro, Stormy fucking went past an old couple about the same age in an Evo 5 yesterday.
Wow.
And she was like, oh, that's fucking wholesome. And I'm like, that's going to be us, babe. I'm like, that's going to be us in like 20 years. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Gold Coast 4G63. And actually, after we finish this video, you may know why we may need to update the name of the channel just slightly. So this morning, we went out for a little cruise, which you would have seen, got some shots. Nice little cruisy morning with my mate Jake, nice and chill. Now, we haven't made some content, it's been a hot minute. We haven't really had anything worthy of making content, guys. So, wanted to have a little update video. A few little things for my Evo. So, we've got new coilovers on the way, some BCs. Really excited about that. It's been a long time coming. I've had the car 4 years and I should have changed the coilovers out pretty much when we got the car. We've got the Evo 9 OEM bumper getting ready to go on to the rear. So that's going to get painted. The exhaust manifold's going to get painted. That was a lovely gift from Aeroflow Performance. So that's going to get Cerakoted and painted up. And pretty much the car will be looking mint. We're also going to get a new lip to replace this one. So a few little updates. But the main reason for today's video, guys, is we've actually added a new Evo to the fleet. My fiance has developed a little bit of a love for the Evo 10, mainly from myself. And after, I don't know, probably like a good 12 months of just looking around and checking the market, I found the perfect one. It's beautiful, black, 2010, with only 66,000 original kilometers on it. Super mint. Picked it up off an older guy. He was the second owner who'd had it for like a decade. pretty much sat in his garage for the last 10 years. He put 21,000 Ks, or a little bit over that, a little over 20,000 Ks in the time he owned it. And other than a boost solenoid and an aftermarket exhaust and a tune, it's stock. So it's stock as a rock almost. It looks great. It still has that new car smell. It's just absolutely mint. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's get into it and let's have a look at this new Evo 10 GSR. Okay, so here she is. Beautiful black 2010 Mitsubishi Evolution GSR. Beautiful condition, super low kilometers. Pretty much stock apart from a aftermarket boost solenoid and a XS Turbo brand Evo X exhaust, which sounds absolutely mint, which you guys would have heard on the cold start just before. So yeah, super tidy, super beautiful, and yeah, the missus is absolutely in love with it. It's pushing about 350 wheel horsepower, I'd say, from the tune it's had. I don't have any papers, but judging by how it gets down and boogies compared to my Evo, I'd say it's probably sitting close to about 350 wheel. Mine's at about 320. It does feel significantly peppier and faster, but I'd say yeah, around 350, possibly a little bit more, but 350 would be a pretty safe bet. Alright, I hope everyone enjoyed today's little video. I hope you guys found that interesting. Hopefully that's the start of a lot more content that will be a lot more entertaining for you moving forward. Thank you as always for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.